Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating a Notion database from scratch might seem intimidating, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can organize your information exactly how you want it. Step 1. First, you'll want to open Notion and create a new page. Click the plus icon in the sidebar, then select Database as your page type. You'll see several database options like Table, Calendar, Board, and Gallery View. For beginners, I recommend starting with the Table View because it's the most straightforward. Step 2. Next, name your database something descriptive. Think about what you're storing, whether it's projects, contacts, or tasks. Then decide which properties or columns you need. Properties are like the headers in a spreadsheet, so you might have columns for name, status, and due date. Step 3. Now you'll add your properties. Click the plus sign next to the existing properties to add new ones. Choose the property type that fits your data, like text, date, select, or checkbox. For example, if you have a project tracker, you'd add property types that match each column. Step 4. Once your properties are set up, start filling in your database with actual data. Type entries into your rows, and Notion will automatically save everything. Don't worry about making it perfect at first, you can always edit later. Step 5. Finally, customize your views to see your data differently. You can create a calendar view for deadlines, a board view for workflows, or a gallery view for visual organization. Add filters and sorts to show exactly what you need, and your database will become a powerful tool for managing everything in your life.